Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampinup.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. Thank you so much for joining me for my Wait What? Wednesday tip video. I have had several people in the last week and a half ask me about storage solutions, and one of the questions that they've had is how to store their Stampin' Blends. Now I know that there's several ideas out there. I know that there's a company that makes a specific holder for them, but what about somebody who doesn't want to spend a ton of money to store their Stampin' Blend alcohol markers? What's available for you and how should you be storing them? So here are some of the alcohol markers. If you're not familiar with them, these are just fantastic for coloring. If you follow me, you've seen me use them several times. I use them almost all the time now for coloring stuff. I really do love them. And how am I storing my markers? Well, let me show you. I found this great little container at Walmart, and it was like $6. Now the thing that really drew me to this container is I knew if I laid it on its side it would be square. It wouldn't be tipping so that my markers would fall out, and that was the thing that I really liked about it, first of all. Secondly, I was also having a really hard time when I was trying to find the light and the dark combinations of all of my markers. So I got some of these little black rubber bands, and I'll show them to you here. They're in the hair aisle, and you get a whole bag of them. I got some of these so that I could connect or fasten my light Blackberry Bliss to my dark Blackberry Bliss. So that's what I did with all of my markers, because I was wasting so much time digging through here trying to find the coordinating marker for the color I was looking for. So this is how I'm storing my markers. Now, can I leave this standing up like this? No, you cannot. You need to store your markers like this. Hang on a second, I'm going to get these all pushed in here. You need to store your markers so that they are laying down, not standing up like putting them in a cup. That is not the proper way to store markers. And then I thought, as long as I was showing you the Stampin' Blend and what my storage solution was there, how do I store my Stampin' Write markers? Let me show you. I got some of these drawer towers from, you know, any place, any of your department stores has them. Walmart has them, Shopko if you're in the Midwest. But this is how I'm storing my markers, is in a drawer. And again, they are laying flat, not sitting in containers up like this. That is not the way you want to store your markers, because the ink will drain down from your tip on whatever end happens to be up, and you're not going to get the best use out of your markers that way. So I hope this tip has been really helpful for you. I got this little basket to store my Stampin' Blends in. I have this drawer to store all my other markers in. They should always be laying flat. So thanks a lot for watching my video. I appreciate that you took a little bit of time out of your day to spend it with me. I hope you'll join me on Sunday at 7 p.m. Central Time. I do a Facebook Live stamping class. We have a blast in this Facebook Live. I give away prizes, and you can interact with me and ask questions and throw out comments and suggestions, and it's just a really good time. Don't forget to click down in the bottom right corner over here. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You don't want to miss anything I have coming out. You can click right up here to go to my blog, where you'll find an online ordering button in the right-hand column. If you do happen to place an order, please make sure you're using this host code. You'll find that at the bottom left of the ordering screen once you're in the online store. When you use this code, you get special perks with me. Have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.